Alright, so in this video we'll start and hopefully finish styling our Facebook page. By the way, yesterday videos did really well, so thanks a lot. And yes, keep sharing if you like this content, okay? Now, let's start with the header. Okay, let's go to the styles.css and let's see. We have this, our header. Let's make that display as flex. Header display flex. Good. Now let's justify content. Space between, and let's give, actually if you see, I'm not giving here space around. Let's see if it works. It does work, but I don't know. Okay, let's see. I guess it'll do. So let's give padding top and bottom 10 pixels and 0 on the left and right. Cool. Now let's make header h1. That's h1, right? Header h1 logo. Okay, let's make it a link. Okay, so that whenever people click on it, it will redirect to the home page. Yeah. Href. For now, let's just give pound sign because we don't want to do anything. So yeah, it's good. Let's make this gradient, okay, from a really dark blue to some light blue, then some light, then really light. Okay, let's give 4 colors. Whenever you want to change the color, you'll have to select the A tag. Okay, you cannot style h1 and expect A to take its properties. Like I'll give a color white. You see, it doesn't take that. And if we say h1 A, oops, you see, because the background is white, that's why. Okay, so you got my point, right? Okay, now actually when we have given the ID, we should select, we not must, but we should select. Now background image linear gradient to top. Let's see, blue. Let's select this blue, copy it. Copy it. This is really annoying. Copy it a few times. Actually 4 times, right? And you know what? Let's just convert it to HSL. I'll show you what's the. Let's copy with comma. Copy. Okay. Now, if we increase the light, we'll get the light, you know. So 28, we'll make it 38. Next, we'll make 50. Then we'll make 70. Whoa, it does not look good. Okay, no issues. Let's see. I don't have color picker here. Wait. Okay, now I have one. Let's see. Pick a color from the web. This one. Okay. This is cool. Let's give the first one that. Again, let's pick something here. $220, $35, $46. Okay, let's keep just these two and let's see how does that look. What's the problem? Inner gradient to top. Why isn't it working? Okay. It's not working. Okay, background color, let's just give it color. Background color, let's keep it this. It's not working either. Oh, let me inspect the element. Invalid property value. What? It does not take HSL or what? Okay, let's make it. Okay, now it's taking. That's strange, but okay, no issues. Okay, cool. Now let's style this our logo. Now it does not look a lot like Facebook because I couldn't find the right font, but okay, no issues. What can we do? Let's style the header logo to sit on the bottom. It's not aligned with this, actually it's at the bottom, I guess. Okay, we'll do that at the end. Let's just first make it small and text decoration none. Let's make it big. Font size 2 rem. Three rem. It does look odd, but let's go with it. Let's decrease the letter spacing. Okay, we'll have to experiment with that property. Let's see, letter spacing, invalid property. -4 pixel looks odd, -3 pixel looks odd. I guess -3 pixel is way to go. -3 pixel. Cool. Now let's style this form. Okay. What's the ID? Login form, right? Login form. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's make the form inside the login form to display as flex. Display flex. Oops. Display flex. Okay. Now I put that in the same div for a reason now. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see. What's the problem then? Div ID password. Oh, okay, password div. It closes here. Okay, so one element is this, another element should be this, and another element should be this. Okay, so let's make password div to display as block. Okay, no issues. We'll fix that. We can set the input inside login form to display as flex. I guess that should work. Display as block. I'm sorry. I guess that should work. Yeah, that does work. Cool. Now, how we can select input using its attribute like type, so login form, input type equals submit. Now using this square brackets we can select the tag having this attribute. So we are selecting input which has type of submit. Okay, that means this one. So let's see what's the color of this. I won't select RGB from now on. Oh, I guess I get it. We have to give these in percentage. That's why it was telling invalid. Okay, let's try this one more time. Background color. Let's confirm that it's not working. Yeah, it's not working. Now let's see. Percent. Actually 220%. That should not work actually either. So let's see. 20%, 22%. I don't know. Okay, let's just go with what? Okay, let's just go with RGB only. I'll figure it out why it's not working. Exactly. last two are in percentage. Yeah, it does work. See, no issues. Border 1 pixel solid. If something doesn't work, you'll learn something. Color white. Okay. And height should be I don't know, 20 pixels. And cursor should be pointer. Okay, it looks nice to me. And self align self center. Cool. And obviously all the inputs should have a left margin left of, I don't know, 5 pixels. It looks fine to me. Now let's set the align center, align items to center. Okay, and it's really too big, I guess. So let's I don't know, shrink down its height. Height should be let's go with 70 pixels for now, and we can it looks nice to me already. What do you think? Okay, let's see. Let's see, form color should be white. Okay, and actually let's not do that. Let's do label login form, label what I'm doing, label should have a margin left of 5 pixels, actually margin right, because at the last we don't have label, so there should be margin, and we still don't have a margin here, so we'll copy that to here, and here we'll say margin left should be 10 pixels. Cool. Now we have to style this link, this ugly looking link. Let's pick a color. Whoa. Let's fix it so that we get okay. Now let's take the hex code only, and what's the link? Okay, password div link inside the password div. Password div a color should be this. Should we decrease the size of the link or what? Yeah, we should. Let's make it font size. Let's make it 0.9 rem. Let's make it I don't know. Let's make it 0.7 rem. It's way too big, way too small. Looks fine to me. Okay, there's no, and it's still some white, I guess. No, it doesn't seem same. Okay, let's make it 8.5. Okay, and let's make this flex end instead of the center. Okay, align item flex end. Why did it move up? Logo, align self. It does look good, right? One more thing I wanna do, I wanna, when I quickly switch the browser windows, I notice that it is letter spacing between these is small, and actually the font is also small, and width of this is small. They have a border around it, so let's do that actually. And the border color of this is a little bit different than black, so let's do that too. Watercolor. Okay, and we have a little padding. We have 2 pixels. Let's go with that. No, let's increase it. Let's make 5 pixels. Okay. Okay, padding 5 pixels 0. No, 5 pixels. Let's remove the height. Actually, let's increase the height to 30 pixels. That's way too big, man. Hmm, 10 pixels. Okay, now let's make this also display as flex. And let's align items to center. Why isn't it working? Display as flex. Okay, cool. I just removed the top and bottom's border because it was, I guess, conflicting with height. Okay, now let's see border radius. Let's give 2 pixels of border radius because I guess there is some border radius, so yeah, it looks good. Now let's see input width. Where is that? Input width should be, I don't know, 100 pixels. No, let's increase that and let's make 150 pixels. Okay, let's give the border 1 pixel solid black. Cool. Actually let's, oh okay, width, I removed the width, 150 pixels. Yeah, and let's shrink down width here. Width should be, I don't know, 50 pixels. No, let's inspect that and 57 pixels should do. 57 pixels and 24 pixels. 57 and 24. Okay, cool. Let's make the height should be 24 pixels itself. No, let's make it less. 22 pixels. No, 20 pixels. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now you might be thinking why I'm changing height, it doesn't affect this. So you know, however deeply we'll select, it will work that way. Like it's common to all input, then we separately set that type should be submit, so that if we manipulate this property here, it won't affect, this property won't affect this element, okay, because we are selecting it more deeply. Okay, same way, if we come here and give here the styles, inline styles, then it will take this side because this is more deep. Okay, like 100 pixels, if we give width, this will take that. Okay, so yeah, how deep we are selecting, that matters. Okay, so let's move on because it looks pretty good to me. Label, let's the font size smaller. I guess that's okay. What do you think? Let's make that only to this also. It looks pretty good to me. It does. Okay, so let's move on to next section. Okay, it is aligned a little funny, so let's align self center. I don't know. No, not center. Flex the end. No. Flex start. No. Why does that happen? It is good. Then we did this and it changed. Okay, I guess we can fix that by using span here. So let's quickly give a span here. I know it took a lot of time, but come on, we are designing Facebook page. Span Copy. Okay. Let's logic login. Oh, I said logic and typed login. Label span. Oops. What was that? Font size, right? Font size small. Yeah, it does work. Congrats. Now let's remove the text decoration, that underline from that. And yeah, I guess that's it for header. What say? It's getting really late actually. It's almost half an hour we took for this style only. So let's do that in the next video. Let's just align this. Okay, first I don't know what was the id section, then tagline. Okay, let's give section display flex. Display flex. Okay, space justify content space around, now space between. Why isn't it working? Isn't there enough space? Okay, let's give a padding here. Let's try and give center here. Let's see if that works. Let's give padding 0. No, it's not working. There's something wrong with it. Let's see. Let's inspect that. Section. Let's see. Space between. No. There are section, then 2 sections, right? Let's make. Okay, maybe there's no space. That's why it's happening. Okay. No issues. Let's give padding 10 pixels. And I guess we are good to go to the next section. Let's remove that. And let's see. We are good with this actually. We need more space actually, so we'll give padding top bottom, let's keep 0 padding, and in the left and right we can give 50 pixels padding. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Okay, now let's style the tagline. Color should be one more thing I guess we should do. Let's pick the color here and let's copy it and let's give the background image linear gradient to top, this one, then white. Yeah, it's fine. Let's set the height to, I don't know, 90 viewport height. 90 is way too big, I guess. Okay, let's see. 80 viewport height. Yeah, it looks same as this. It's a little less space, so let's make it 85. $83. It's cool. Okay, I guess we will stop this video right now here, because okay, let's give a padding here also. Padding should be 100 pixels. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's see. Okay, it's not too large. Let's see, 10 pixels on the top, and at the sides let's give 70 pixels. Yeah, it looks good to me. Now in the next video we'll style this form. I am really sorry it took so long time for this, but I guess it's worth it. It looks really similar to this, right? Okay, now practice and try to make it smaller, try different font weight, font weight like header, logo, actually a font weight, let's make it 700. That's a little. Let's make it 500. It's okay. We don't have font of that small. We have 400, we have 700. 400 is normal, 700 is large. Okay, no issues. We can always grab that. We can say 500 here also, and let's try to give it 500 now. Okay, it's way too small. Let's keep it 700 only, no issues. Okay, now we are really close to Facebook page. This is already a clone, so I don't know. And the best part is we did not copy these styles. We made all of this on our own. Like we can say, what's the width of this? This is 150 into 23. Oh my god, did you see this? This is 150 cross 23, and ours is, let's see, it's really close, I guess. 152/24. Okay, it's really close, but 150 cross 23, and it's really close. So yeah, we have same. I told you when I taught about ID, we can only use one ID, unique ID for an element across the document, but you can use similar classes. But here we are using, so in the sign up form and in the login form, that's why it's throwing us error, not error, warning. But this is not a actual page or something, so you can ignore that right now. Now we'll continue styling this form in the next video. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and please share this video. If you did, please share this video. I'm always saying this, that's the only thing that matters to me. Okay, now bye bye.